What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video we will be fishing the flooded Dupage river, and when it's really flooded there's only two baits that I trust, well three actually, that I like using. One, of course, it's some type of jig, Ned rig, and second, not a lot of people like to use these type of baits. For number two and three, not a lot of people like to use them. First is the new chatterbait mini max. This is a half ounce, and when it's flooded murky water, all the fish are for the most part in the slack water or any current break, and you just cast and slow retrieve. Same thing with the spinner bait. For a spinner bait, I usually like a little bit sunnier day, and same principle, slack water and slow retrieves. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. Oh, it's too cool. Oh, finally. Oh, this is a nice one too. I just bought these baby chatterbaits. They're great for smallmouth. Good God, look at the belly on this. Look at the belly. Holy crap. Look at the belly. Even has stretch marks on this side. Yeah, nice, really nice. I got another one. Whoa, this is a big one. Oh boys, this was eventful. Whew. Beautiful. Look at the belly on this one. Nice. It's almost 17 inches. Trying to get it there, but be a good stretch of the summer. Oh, another good one. I just got a bite there. I swear to God. I got a bite there and kept on going. Guys, we have no problem catching these fish. We have a problem landing them and beaching to take pictures. $16.25. So guys, let me explain what I'm doing. I'm casting near the shore and I'm retrieving slowly. And after 3-4 feet, I burn it back and I cast again. The name of the game is make as many casts as possible near the shore, because all the fish that I've been catching, they're near the shore, especially after big structure, wood, anything big structure, the fish are there. There we go. That's another decent one. Oh yeah. No. Okay. The current is so fast that I can't even use my power pole when I try to anchor, and it just keeps on hopping. So next best thing is to do this beach and take a picture of the fish and burn a lot of calories. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm using the baby chatterbait. I believe these are designed for smallmouth, and I'm using this is 3-inch, oh no, my bad, 3.75 or 3.5-inch paddle tail, and this is my toxic gill. There's the release, 17 1/4. About time.